Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to freeze or unfreeze row and column in Google Sheets. So get ready started. At first open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show freeze or unfreeze row and column. Now now select from a row. Now for click. Then going to the view menu option, then click for a freeze. Now click for up to raw. That's it. Now scroll your mouse. Then show freeze the raw. Then we can say now apply from freeze and freeze column. Now click for a column. Now go into the view menu option, then click for a freeze option. Now click for up to column. That it's now apply from freeze, then show freeze from column. That it's then freeze row and column, and then you can see freeze unfreeze row and column. Now click for row. Now click for a view menu option, then click for freeze. Now click for no row option. That's then we show unfreeze from row, and then we can see unfreeze from column. Now click for a column, then click for a view option, then click for freeze option. Now click for no column option. That is then we show freeze or unfreeze row and column in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.